Hi everyone, this is Joseph Botnar from IT.Tutorials. Welcome to another tutorial here on IT.Tutorials. Today we talk about the first C program in Notepad compiled with GCC Compiler. First of all, in order to be able to compile C source code written in Notepad, you have to download and configure the GCC compiler in your computer. This GCC compiler comes free, so launch Google Chrome or another browser in order to download it, and right here in Google box GCC compiler. And I recommend you to use this link. Click on it. It is about this website SourceForge, which is very trusted. Click on this green button in order to download the current version, and here on the top will appear the progression of your download. Here you go, the download started. Just click on this arrow and you can see the state of download. After the download is done, you can find it here on the top of this browser. Just click on this icon to find the location where this was downloaded. As you can see, there is archive with this extension. Extract the content of this archive, which contains other subfolders and files. Click with the right side of the mouse and extract it. The content of this archive. After the extraction was done, you just rename the folder, because as you can see the name is very long, so go on rename and just shorten this name, in my opinion. Yeah, and after locate this folder where is very handy for you to configure and to use this compiler, this folder which contains as you can see other folders and files. So I'm gonna to copy it, yeah, and locate it here in this driver C. It is already here because it is configured and set it in my computer. Okay, open this folder where is the compiler. Open the bin subfolder, go here on this arrow, click on it, and as you can see it's highlighted now the path, and copy this path with Ctrl C. Now the next step is to set the environment variable. Therefore you type here in Cortana in environment variable, and will come up this and click on it. The next click on this button environment variables, and here where is system variables, you have to paste the path what you copied a few seconds ago. Click on path here where is this window system variables. Click on edit. Here click on new and you paste the path in here. As you can see, I have pasted already. You click here on OK. Yeah, I'm going to click on cancel. As you can see, the variable is set it already, and after again OK. Yeah, now if you followed exactly the steps I've done, that means the system variable for GCC compiler is configured in your operation system, in your calculator. Now the next step is to write the code in Notepad, because we already have the compiler, so the compiler will work. But before we write the code in Notepad, I recommend you to check if the compiler was installed properly in your computer. Therefore, write here command prompt. Yeah, click on it. The command prompt will be released, and here you write GCC dash double dash and write version. Enter, and as you can see, it is displayed in command prompt the compiler, the name of the compiler, GCC, and the version what you have installed in your computer, 14.2.0. Okay, so let's put it down here on taskbar, this command prompt, and let's launch Notepad. To write our first C code in Notepad. So let's start to code. Let's start to write the C code. Here is our first C code in Notepad. In order to be functional, we have to go on the file and save it with extension C. Here you have to select all files. In this file name box you write the name of your source code or your C source code, like in my case hello, and this is very important, dot and the extension C. So you have to pay attention for the extension. It is a must. It must be C. And after click on this button save. So here you go. Actually you have to find a location for this. Probably before you have to create a folder if you don't have created already. I'm gonna to save this this file, this C source code file here in this folder. Okay, so let's find out the folder. It's located here in this C driver, lab underscore C, as you can see. Let's remove these two, not to create confusion. So here is our first C source code, hello.c. As you can see, let's resize this file explorer, which actually contains this code right in Notepad. Okay, the next step is now to compile this file hello.c using GCC Compiler. Therefore I'm going to launch again the command prompt, and I have to go into this folder where is located my source code. Therefore I'm gonna go on this narrow. I'm gonna to copy again this path, because I have to go inside this folder lab underscore C. Therefore I'm gonna to write this command cd, and I'm gonna paste it with Ctrl V the path where is located this file hello.c. Enter. As you can see, now I am inside this folder lab underscore C, as you can see here in command prompt, and now I can compile this C code using GCC compiler. How I'm gonna to do this? I'm gonna to type GCC, and I'm gonna to write GCC space, and I'm gonna to write the name of the source code hello.c. Enter. Okay, after a while, as you can see, the GCC compiler created C compiled file. Actually the compiler, this GCC compiler gave a different name to compile the file, this a.exe. So it's a name given by default by a compiler, and has this extension exe, as you can see. In order to run now the C code, I'm going to write actually the name of exe file, which is the compiled file, a.exe. Enter. And as you can see, the C code was run. I've got this text hello it.tutorials. actually this file, which is the compiled C file with this extension exe, the processor can understand it, because this file contains all those 0-1 numbers which can be understood by a processor. But probably you want the compiled file to have the same name like the source code. In order to do so, we have to write another command like GCC. Now write the name of source code hello.c, and after write dash o space, and after you have to write the name you want the compiled file, the exe file, to carry it. Like in my case, hello, and I want compiled file to carry the same name like the C source code, and I'm gonna to write the extension of the compiled file, which is exe. Yeah. All right. Now enter. And now, as you can see, the GCC compiler created another C compiled file, but this time the compiled file carried the same name like the source code. As you can see, hello.exe and hello.c. In order to run the C code, I'm going to write again the compiled file here in command prompt hello.exe. And here you go, the source code was the result of the source code was displayed here in command prompt, namely hello it.tutorials. So that was all about the first C program in Notepad compiled with GCC compiler. I'm hoping this tutorial was helpful and useful for you. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe button, and subscribe to this tutorial, and probably you want to watch my other tutorials on my channel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.